Target Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we're diving into the Target Affiliate Program based on my experience, and I've included links to the program in the description below. If you're looking to promote products from one of America's most well-known retailers, Target's affiliate program might be the perfect fit for you. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or influencer, the Target Affiliate Program gives you the chance to earn commissions by promoting a wide range of products from their extensive catalog. One of the key features of the Target Affiliate Program is the broad range of products available for promotion, with everything from electronics, fashion, home goods, groceries, and beauty products. There's a huge variety of items to target any niche audience. Whether you're creating content around lifestyle, fashion, tech, or home improvement, you'll find plenty of options to match your content. The program offers competitive commission rates that can range from 1% to 8%, depending on the category of the product. While the rates may vary, Target's ability to convert visitors due to its strong brand recognition and customer loyalty is a major advantage. Target also provides affiliates with strong tracking tools and real-time reporting, helping you keep tabs on your performance and optimize your campaigns for better earnings. Another notable benefit of the Target Affiliate Program is its short 7-day cookie window. Although this is on the shorter side compared to some other programs, the sheer volume of daily traffic to Target's website means that conversions are often quick, especially if your promotions are time-sensitive or tied to seasonal deals. Target also offers easy-to-use promotional materials, including links, banners, and widgets, which make it simple to start promoting products right away. It's a great option for affiliates who want to monetize their platform quickly with a trusted, well-established brand. If you're already creating content around shopping, deals, or product reviews, the Target Affiliate Program is a great fit for you. So, if you're looking to earn commissions while promoting a huge variety of popular products from a trusted brand, be sure to check out the links in the description to get started with the Target Affiliate Program today.